I was trying to follow where you were going at the beginning, and you have to trust the person leading you. And so it's super vulnerable. And so I went to my space of, okay, if I'm going to relate to the paint, I'm going to do so in an energetic sort of way, because we first were given the words, and how do you express those words on the canvas when you can't really see something. And so I expressed that energetically. And then we walked into building branches and like a starburst and things like that, which I have a visual image of. So the intersection of those should be really interesting.
Not knowing, but having an image in your head is very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah.
I was nervous and kind of the fear of unknown when starting. So going through it, it's like doing the paint and everything. It's like a calming process, and knowing that you don't have to do things perfect. It's fine, but realizing you have to, as a person with sight issues, has to give up a lot of control to learn how to do things in a different way and see things, like you said, not see, but understand them in a different way, and memorizing things and positions. It's just really interesting, and gives you much more empathy on what you have to deal with.